In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use blog comments in Squarespace. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to enable comments on your blog posts, enhancing interaction and engagement on your website. First off, start by navigating to squarespace.com and logging into your account. From your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. Your dashboard is your control center, displaying all the websites you have under your account. Your first task is to select the specific website where you want to enable blog comments. Look through the list and choose the correct one, as this ensures any changes you make will be applied to the right website. Once you have selected your website, you'll now need to head towards the left corner of your screen and click on Website. This action will lead you to a series of options that you can modify to your liking. As you navigate, look for the section labeled Pages. Click on it, as this will grant you access to all the pages that reside on your website. Next, navigate further to find your blog page, which should be nested within the Pages section. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the blog. You'll then find yourself on your blog's dashboard. At this point, you're very close to achieving your goal of enabling comments. In the blog dashboard, direct your gaze towards the right-hand side, where you'll find a row of 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a new drop-down menu. From this newly opened menu, select Settings. This action will allow you to delve deeper into the specifics of your blog's functionality. After entering the Settings menu, continue by clicking on Options. You'll soon find yourself in the section where you can enable comments for your blog. Now, here comes the crucial part. Locate the Comments section within the Options menu. You'll need to turn on this setting to allow visitors to engage with your content directly through comments. Simply toggle the switch to enable comments on your blog posts. This not only allows for interaction but can also drive more traffic to your site. Finally, and this is an important step, remember to click on Save. This button will apply all the changes you've made, making sure that comments are indeed activated for your blog posts. Skipping this step would mean that all your efforts remain fruitless, so don't forget to save your work. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to enabling blog comments on Squarespace. Make sure to check back on your blog to ensure everything is set up correctly, and watch as your readers begin to engage with your content. Thanks for joining in today's video, and happy blogging!